What up, y'all? Coronavirus ain't got me yet, so in the meantime, while under this lovely quarantine we're all under, it gives me more time to put out some reaction videos, some other sketches and stuff. Your boy's back. Let's start things off with a little Token reaction. This dude is crazy, bro. Every time he puts a freestyle out, I swear is better than every other rapper right now's written stuff. Most of y'all probably have already seen him. If you haven't already, check out his stuff, but right now I'm gonna react to his new Cough freestyle. And look, as I've said before, I am not a hip-hop head. I am not some crazy bar guy. I will try and catch what I can, but at the end of the day, this is Token. Not gonna happen. We're gonna watch it, we're gonna enjoy it. Let's see what he's bringing this time. He got the corona.
Brand new crib, I love to wake up top at the same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica window black.
Dude, I missed hearing new music from Token. That girl dread this like Jamaica. Emma! Alright, let's keep going. Let's go back.
That girl dread this like Jamaica window blacker than 2-3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cut. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hope. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That
attention, and the tension, and the... Oh god, it's gonna give me an aneurysm. Alright.
my whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cut. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hope. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke.
Attention in the air like smoke. Oh. Upended, my pended, everything I hoped. Everything I wrote, oh my god, I'm not gonna even try to break that down. That's just dirty. His flow too is ridiculous.
Thing I hope, my only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving me too much, I only love back whenever they don't. Ride me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I get a repertoire flows, and I still set the bar with those. Telling my chick I really don't trick, but I got a deck of card hose. My patience thin, I'm Kendall, temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live life like I'm broken, bitch, I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket.
Short Kevin Hart, he's throwing a little bit of flames. Kevin Hart respond with a diss track. No. God, that would be amazing. Act like I'm still broken, but I'm really far from broke and... Ooh.
I still live life like I'm broken, bitch, I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket. Now I got a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved her right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I be in the UK, grow my traction. Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen of...
Used to rap in between clothes. I'm pointing at the closet because I know what he's talking about. Because I know that if you can't afford one of those actual booths, you can't afford to actually get to a studio, you can use clothes. I only know this because I'm looking into doing podcasts and doing some rap stuff, but just for fun. But you can, most people rap into their closet because the clothes, it's kind of like natural soundproofing. So he's saying that's where he started. So he started on the hustle like everybody else did. Damn. "43 seconds.
Now I got a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved her right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I be in the UK, grow my traction. Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got girlfriend, no more attachment. Ovary leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket, just so the broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction.
Sounds like Token's not in the whole long-term dating thing. He said, leave an open casket. I do respect him though, because he's saying he's going to get his homies active though. That's big ups. Anybody who gets that successful should be doing that, in my opinion. Your homies that have been there since day one, you got to put them on too.
Ovary leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket, just so the broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest, tires passing, I control her vision.
Moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. He said, I'm not a fascist, but the whip is German. And it's the fastest. Bruh. In them German whips. But German whips not fat. Damn. Alright, let's keep it going.
Whip Is German, think I drove the fastest. Tigers passing, I control her vision. Plus I buy her lashes, lashing out. I buy her back. In this life I imagine this that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put a bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she barely
Jesus Christ.
I put the bag above us like it's a carry-on. Please close the overhead compartments now. That's a bar. I'm sweating now. I shouldn't have worn this damn hoodie. And he even said it right there too. One of my favorite quotes. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Or he said it's a marathon, but that's what he's talking about. Take your time, patience. It'll get you there.
Is German, think I drove the fastest. Tigers passing, I control her vision. Plus I buy her lashes, lashing out. I buy her back. In this life I imagine this that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon.
God, that flow.
Money first, I put a bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she barely even my type, dog, I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, she'll think this shit a hair salon. Just met, she let me hit it off the bat. I think she think I'm Barrett Bonds. I like that.
She lets me hit it off the bat. Think I'm Barry Bonds. And I just caught he controls her vision, buys her lashes. Condition her so much that she thinks it's a hair salon. He's got influence, I guess, on some of these chicks. My God.
She let me hit it off the bat. I think she think I'm Barrett Bonds. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Watch this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Hey, fuck engaging in the war, little bitch, let's get the marriage on. Let's go. I can only do the freestyle shit.
Like a trick. He's a magician. He's there and then he's gone. Engaging in the war, let's get this marriage on. Got some people sending some shots his way? Oh, dude, I wouldn't want to start any beef with Token. He's probably one of the last people I'd want to start. I think he started in battle rap too, so
Let's get the marriage on. Let's go. I can only do the freestyle shit when the time getting free to turn the baby keep up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meet up. I'ma get the wifey when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just implored her. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got avoided. I just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford a lure. But I got 3 in my fucking corner. I could give you up covers, couple corners. I'm the
one more time. I'm not going to catch everything. I told you this, but I'm going to go back one more time. I'll be damned if I'm not going back one more time. 144.
Time getting free to turn the baby keep up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meet up. I'ma get the wifey when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just implored her. My old girl.
She don't even got an IG, so I just import her. He also said he's not getting married till he gets the prenup. He doesn't trust anybody because it sounds like that other chick tried to get too high off his cloud a little bit. So he's probably not feeling the whole relationship thing right now. I guess you can't blame him. If that happens to you, I can see how that leads to some trust issues, bruh.
Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just implored her. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got avoided. I just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford a lure. But I got 3 in my fucking corner. I could give you up covers, couple corners. I'm the fuck.
Curfew next week. Oh, is that a little preview of the music video? Or the album cover? Oh, that's cool. As always, straight flames, fire, whatever you want to call it, dude. He fucking killed that shit. Like always. And that's... again, his freestyles are better than most rappers' actual shit nowadays. I'm not trying to be one of those rap purists, but come on, bro. He said so much in that 2 minute and 18 seconds, which he didn't even rap all that, I don't think. Probably call it 2 minutes. And there's motherfuckers out there saying the same words over and over on the same chorus, on the same beat, doing the same flow. I mean, the world needs some more Token. So it sounds like it's going to be a good thing we're going to get some. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the reaction. Hope you had a fun time. Like I said, I know I didn't catch anything. It is what it is. Stay tuned. We'll be doing several more reactions. I'm going to be doing Chris Webby. I've also got some more NF2 coming. So yeah, stay tuned. Check out the rest of my channel. Like and subscribe. Leave me any comments down below. Questions, thoughts, or concerns, if there are some. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, That's a wrap.